What if seeing lips in your dream is not random at all? What if it's a sign about your words, your honor, or even your future wealth? Dreams speak in symbols, and one of the most powerful symbols connected to honesty, honor, and provision is lips. So what does it really mean when lips appear in your dream? Let's break it down. Seeing lips in a dream is often a sign that your needs will be fulfilled and your prayers answered. If the lower lip appears better or stronger than the upper lip, it represents protection, support, and inner strength. If a woman sees a black beauty mark above her lip in a dream, it indicates increased honor, respect, and high status among people. Seeing swollen lips in a dream is a sign of increased wealth, provision, or unexpected financial improvement. If you see your lips stuck together and you cannot open them, this symbolizes obstacles, blocked matters, or difficulty expressing the truth. Seeing cut lips is a warning sign. It indicates involvement in gossip, harmful speech, or dishonesty. This dream serves as a reminder to return to the right path and be truthful in words. Dreaming of hanging lips suggests neglect toward family or failure to fulfill responsibilities. Kissing lips in a dream has a positive meaning. It can indicate strengthening relationships, emotional bonding, or even the start of a serious and stable connection.
Dreams are messages, but only if you listen carefully. If this dream appeared to you, it may be time to reflect on your words, relationships, and responsibilities. Watch till the end, reflect deeply, and remember, this dream is not random.